A 2,000-kilometer border. Stepped-up security. It's the biggest sign to date of the government's response to the influx of Venezuelan migrants flooding into Brazil's northern border state of Roraima. It's a complicated and delicate problem for Brazilian border patrol because not everyone is entering through the only official crossing at Pacaraima. The major concern now is that undocumented migrants are crossing the border along trails like this one, and there has been an increase in criminal activity. Mostly poor with limited skills, they're coming to Brazil from all parts of Venezuela, an estimated 600 to 800 per day.
Crimes like contraband and smuggling come with humanitarian crises. People who are vulnerable, like these Venezuelans who are leaving a terrible situation, come to Brazil, can easily turn to crime.
Unlike Colombia, which has tightened its border, Venezuelans are free to enter Brazil, but are now subject to greater security checks. Personal belongings and vehicles are searched thoroughly. Some are feeling the stress of leaving everything behind.
Salir de las raíces nuestras.
Leaving your roots to go to another country is tough.
Es fuerte.
Last month, Brazil's President Michel Temer came to Roraima to assess the situation and promised help.
We will send all necessary resources. We won't set down amounts now, but I've committed myself to solve this situation with the Venezuelans in Roraima.
Providing vaccinations against diseases such as measles and yellow fever is part of Brazil's emergency plan, as healthcare in Venezuela is collapsing. No census has been conducted yet, but Venezuelans are crowding Roraima's capital, Boa Vista, where, according to official data, 4 or 5 Venezuelan babies are born every day. Local authorities are worried.
It is a situation that makes me feel useless. The state government alone cannot solve it. So, more measures need to be taken by the federal government.
As patrols double along the border and food, shelter, and healthcare aid is increased, the Brazilian government is scrambling to come up with strategies to relocate thousands of Venezuelans to other parts of the country. Lucrecia Franco, CGTN, Roraima, Brazil.